Hi boys and girls, this is week 2, day 3 grammar video. Now friends, remember grammar and writing go hand in hand together. So in order to be a good writer, we need to practice grammar, and in order to be a good speaker, we need to know grammar too. So grammar talks about specific types of writing, and grammar deals with the special types of words and how to use them in a sentence. We've been talking about two things this week. So the first thing that we have been talking about is the difference between a word and a letter. A letter is all by itself. It's just one letter. A word, though, is a bunch of letters smushed together to make a word. So when you put letters together, it can make a word. I'm going to hold up a couple cards, and you're going to decide, is this a letter or a word? This is a letter. It's the capital D. Very good. Letter or word? That's a letter, lowercase n. Letter or word? That's a word. Do you see there's 1, 2, 3 letters together? This is the word the. Everybody say the. Nice job. Even if you can't read the word, it's important to be able to recognize what a word is. Letter or word? This is a word. This is the word water. Can you say water? Nice job. Letter or word? This is the letter. It's a capital R. Letter or word? Word. This is the word was. Say was. Nice job. Letter or word? This is one letter by itself. It's the lowercase q. Letter or word? This is a word. This is the word am. 2 letters together. Am. Can you say am? Letter or word? Letter. Very good. It's the lowercase j. Nice job, friends. You are getting really good at that. The second thing that we were talking about this week is we were talking about a special type of word called a noun. And we were starting to brainstorm some nouns. We made a list of nouns. A noun is a word that tells people, places, or things. So a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. It's a word that tells people, places, and things. So yesterday we made a list of people that we might know. Miss Pashadlik, that's me. We wrote mom, dad, grandma, grandpa. Mrs. Biederman is our principal at Gardens. Mrs. Anderson and Miss Dietzel are other kindergarten teachers here at Gardens. We wrote brother and sister. Next to brother, I wrote the names of my 2 brothers. My older brother is Jerry, and my younger brother is John. Now I underlined some letters, and in some special names, we have some capital letters. Remember, when you're talking about the specific name of a person, you always start that name with a capital letter. So I underlined all those capital letters. If you're talking about a specific person and use their name, that's a capital letter for their name. So your name starts with a capital letter, right? Right. Okay. Words that tell people, places, and things. Those are nouns. We already did people. Today we're going to talk about places. So we're going to make a list of places today. So I'm going to divide our list up a little bit. And I'm going to give it a heading. Places. Can you think of a place? What about this place? Where am I right now? I'm in our classroom, right? I'm in a classroom in our school. Classroom and school are both places. So I'm going to add classroom and school to our list. Did you know that our school has a special name? Our school has a special name, and our school's name is Gardens Elementary School. Gardens Elementary School tells a specific school. So, school is a place, but when we talk about a very specific school, a specific place, we can add that to our list too. Gardens Elementary. And when we write a specific place, we use those capital letters in the beginning of the words. So Gardens Elementary is a specific school. It's a specific place. So we start those with the capital letters. Where are you right now? You're in a place, right? You could be in a house. Maybe you're at home. Maybe you are in the kitchen. The kitchen is a place. Kitchen. Maybe you are in a living room, or you are in a bedroom, or you are in a different room in your house, right? Kitchen's a place. Any room in your house is a place because that tells where you are. So we can say bedroom is a place. We could say bathroom. That's a place, right? Have you ever been to a store? How many of you have ever been to Meijer? Raise your hand if you've been to Meijer. Meijer talks about a very specific place. Since Meijer is the name of a certain place, we are going to start that with a capital letter. If we wanted to just say store, we would write a lowercase letters for that. But Meijer is the name of a store. So since it's the name of a store, we start that with a capital letter. What can you think of? Can you think of a restaurant or a fast food place that maybe you've been? All of those are places. So all of those would be nouns. Have you ever been to McDonald's and gotten food at McDonald's? Maybe. McDonald's is a place, and McDonald's tells the name of the restaurant, of the fast food place. So since we're talking about a specific name, that's capitalized too. We have a capital letter in the beginning of the name. What about the beach? Have you ever been to the beach before? Ooh, that's so fun. Beach is a place. And a place is a noun, so beach is a noun. What about the park? Park is a noun too. Park is a place. All of these on our list are all places that maybe you've been to. But so a noun is a word that tells people, places, or things. We're going to make our things list tomorrow. Friends, thank you so much for working hard with me and making my places list. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you tomorrow.